Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the new Starbucks SouthWest Veggie wrap, which is one of the two new wraps that they have there. This is what it looks like here. Pretty cool. It's very hot right now, and this is alongside the new breakfast sausage, egg, and bacon wrap. This one is vegetarian. It's got the Beyond Meat, scrambled eggs, potato, pico de gallo, and black beans. So pretty interesting little treat here. I want to get right into this. Very hot. Looks like a pizza pocket. Ooh. I don't even see the eggs there, but they're very flavorful. Like, this tastes, the other one was very like salty tasting. This one tastes like veggies and stuff. It's really good. Black beans too. That's really cool. Very nice, light, good tasting. And that's what we like. Some onion potato in there. There might not be any Beyond Meat. I might have been wrong with that. A lot of potato and cheese and stuff. Gruyere cheese, I believe. This is pretty good. There's a sauce in it as well. It's a nice, like, light flavor. Very nice. This is very hot, though. One thing to note. Probably my last bite there. That is like Southwest kind of. Oddly reminds me of like I'm not sure. It's kind of like if you get a breakfast wrap burrito from like a Mexican restaurant. It could be kind of like that, but that's got eggs and a bunch of other stuff in it too. Very interesting for a wrap from Starbucks. Like, I've never expected they'd come out with stuff like this, but it's very cool that they did. And it tastes good, so I like that. I do like the sausage, bacon, and egg one a little bit more because there's more meat in it and more kind of flavor going on there. This one does have a bit of a different taste. It's more vegetarian-like, relying more on the vegetables for their flavor than the bunch of salty meats. But they're both pretty good. They're big wraps, bigger than the sausage or the spinach feta wrap. So if you're looking for something new, it's a good vegetarian, or I guess there's eggs in it. It's a veggie wrap. So yeah, pretty good. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give the Southwest Veggie Wrap from Starbucks an 8 out of 10. It's actually pretty good. If you like more of the vegetable side of things, this is a great wrap for you. But if you personally prefer to go with more of a like a meat-based wrap, probably get the sausage, egg, and bacon one. It's a little bit better in that way. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.